You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, the name of this disease. If you want to learn more medical terms and clarify more pronunciations, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The initial name is from German, Fuchs, and it's pronounced the same in English or in German, so that's quite easy for once. Fuchs endothelial dystrophy. Fuchs endothelial dystrophy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.